Hello YouTubers, today I will be testing this tire pressure sensor training tool that I bought from Amazon. It comes with the manual and comes with a list of vehicles over here, so make sure that your vehicle is on this list before you buy it, and also before you train or keep it as like a backup device. Remember that this thing actually comes without the battery. It gets 9-volt battery, so to open it up it's really easy. Open like that. Make sure you put positive to positive like that, and we'll see if it's gonna work on my vehicle. It says that, like in my case, I have a Ford Transit. It has Ford Transit from 2010 to 2023, and also has Transit Cargo and Wagon 2020. Well, this is 2020, so one of these two, either Transit Cargo or Transit over here, should actually work, I think, on my vehicle. If not, I guess we'll see. So that's the model number, EL50449. We'll see how it works. So before you start using this tool, you gotta set up your vehicle in the training mode. Each vehicle have a different setup, but that's what I have right now, showing that I have 83 PSI in the front and 60 or 82 in the front, 62 in the back, which is showing backwards because I just did the tire rotation. So in my case, to set up in a training mode, you gotta push your hazard lights 3 times on and off. 1 off, 2 off, 3 off, right here. And now we have this message: train left front tire. And if you follow the instruction, you gotta against your and push the button. It shows that I have a low battery, so it's not gonna work. Okay, I need to find a newer battery. Tires not trained. Repeat. Okay. I'm gonna give it a shot one more time. Train front left tire. There you go. So I'm gonna try exactly the same spot over here. There you go. All right, all right. There you go. And the last tire. There you go. And what we have, training complete. Okay, so let's see what we have over here for tires. And we have 64, 63 in the front, 81 in the back. There you go. So this tool is working, but instructions, I mean, honestly could be a lot better. And as you can see on the manual it suggests that you have to hold it right here on the tire. It even have a picture that it should hold like that. In my case, it did not work there. It actually worked over here, really close to the stem. So there you go. It works. And in my case, another thing to mention, that you have to hold it like twice or maybe 3 times on some of the sensors. But anyway, it costs like $11 or so. Maybe it's gonna go up, or maybe it's gonna be less on the sale. If somebody's interested, I'm gonna leave a link below in the description. But bottom line, it does work, so you don't have to drain the tires all the way, I mean like down, and repump it again. So if you don't have a tool, and I'm gonna also leave a link how you can set up your tire pressure sensor or retrain them without this tool. But I don't know, easy or not, I don't have to drain the air and repump it again. So for some of you, may work, may not, but I guess it's a little bit tricky. I guess the sensor could be a little bit stronger. I tried 2 different batteries. On first, both of them actually new, but on first it was showing that it's a low battery. I replaced with the other one, and it's still, I have to like push this red training button like twice or 3 times on some of the sensors. But anyway, thanks for watching. If you're interested, link below in the description, and if you bought it, good luck. You're gonna have a little bit patience to actually make this thing work.